Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make party in Infinite Craft. So by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, the first thing that we're going to do is to combine water and earth to create a plant. After that, combine plant and wind to create dandelion. Then after combining it, combine dandelion and water to create a wine. Then combine wine and wind to create a balloon. Then finally, combine balloon and wine to create party. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.